Skin Whiten Miracle Formula. This is the one of the best skin whiten secrets. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you an effective remedy. It's how to make mask for skin whiten. In this video, it's the first time I will show you a live result of this remedy. We need these ingredients to make this mask: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, mix all the ingredients very well. Now apply this remedy on your skin and make sure you scrub it for 25 minutes. Now wash your skin with cold water. Now guys, you can see the result after the scrub. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.